Mr. Hassan Abdul Khan highlighted that the Jammu and Kashmir dispute is one of the oldest items on the agenda of UN Security Council. India's illegal and unilateral action of 5th August 2019 aims to alert the international recognized disputed status of Jammu Kashmir to change the demographic structure of the occupied territory. The Council General upon international community, the human rights organization, international media and the civil society to take awareness of the plight of the Kashmir people who have been subjected to unabated Indian atrocities. A photo exhibition emphasizing Indian atrocities in ILOJK was also arranged on the sidelines of event. A short documentary on human rights violations being committed by the Indian occupation forces ILOJK was also screened during the event. The event concluded with special prayers for the Kashmiri martyrs